So, whenever a woman is suffering from any hormonal imbalance, especially right now, I'm seeing a lot of cases of menopausal women coming to me. Okay, so right now, menopause is hitting quite early in women, especially at around age 35, women are getting their menopause. So, it's quite scary because all these things are linked to unhealthy lifestyle as well, especially what we are eating nowadays compared to what we ate, 50 or 80 or 100 years before. It's not the same anymore. Okay, so I have found in my clinical practice that a high protein diet coupled with herbal teas like red clover herb tea, which is very good for menopause symptoms, becomes very important. And also, according to Lee, these herbal teas can be incorporated along with the exercise and a healthy lifestyle as well. But I would recommend that herbal teas like twice in a day or once in a day, especially chamomile tea, especially women go through fatigue and too much of anxiety, and so in order to give them a calming effect, so chamomile tea is very good. It can be had at bedtime before you go to sleep. So it really worked wonders with my patients and clients as well.